are here for my first ever Influenster unboxing, and she's a biggie. This is, my cat is losing his mind. This is a fan that they have valued at way more than I would ever buy. So honestly, I cannot believe I'm getting the chance to do this. Let me see. I honestly don't know how to pronounce this name. I'm gonna say DREO or DREO, and as you can, I need it. So let's see. It said open on this end. Here she is. Ooh, it's got colors, bro. Okay. Here she is. So. This is the fan. I'm not good at this. So, this is the DREO whatever Smart Turbo Poly Fan. It's a 9-inch, 100-foot airflow reach with smart RGB ambient light. I did not know it had that. It's got vertical and horizontal oscillation with 6 modes and 9 speeds. It's adjustable height from 37 to 42, and it's app controlled, but it also comes with a remote. Looking for help? Not yet. Let's see, we got some cardboard and some cardboard and some cardboard. And some bits and pieces. Okay. This is, I assume, the up-down bit. Maybe not. I cracked myself up, if you can't tell. I am a strong woman. I got this. More cardboard. That's bigger than I thought it was going to be, honestly. Okay. This is, oh, she is the base is hella weighted. Because this thing is, the base is basically a dumbbell. Like, how much does this thing weigh? Like, the box felt heavy, but it did not feel that heavy. Like, this whole thing has some weight to it. Let's see. It looks like we have a screen here and a screen here, and the blades are blue. That's cool. It's definitely very, like, sleek and I'd say modern looking. It says it's got the DREO on the front and the back. I'm gonna lay her over here. Looks like it's got a nice long cord. And again, I'm still not sure what this piece is, but we do have some instructions. Those are going to be very needed because I have no idea what I'm doing. This piece. Wait a tick. That's useful, because I will lose stuff. I lose stuff constantly. Turn the fan body upside down. Okay, come here. Install the short pedestal into the fan body. That's supposed to be on the front or the back? Theirs is on the back. And yeah, okay, that moves. Okay. Push the column into the base, then wow. Like, seriously, this thing is so heavy. Like, this would probably be good for an outside fan, because it's pretty weighted. Again, no idea what I'm doing. Then screw through the flat washer into the bottom of the column. This is working? Not working? Oh, there we go. That did something. I kind of don't love an Allen key. Give me a ratchet screwdriver any day. Like the ones that go... We have a couple of those, but I don't know where they are. Like I said, I lose stuff constantly. I'd lose my head if it weren't attached to me. I think that's tight. Okay, is there a step 4? I think so, because I think it said there were like 6 steps. Adjustable up to 5 inches. Yeah, that is 5 inches. Okay. I swear, it did not feel this heavy when it was in the box. Oh, she was not in all the way. Oh, yes she was. Okay, let's see. Install the remote control holder. And it looks like they have theirs on the back, right above the, yeah, right above the power cord. And that just slides right on there, and it's got some little cushion. Okay, so we have an LED display, and a control panel. So I was right, this is like a little touch screen. Ambient light. I don't know where that comes from. Well, she's plugged in, and I have quickly realized that she was not into the base all the way because now the screw is loose. Okay. But it did come on for a second, and yeah, she seems powerful. Did I say dumbbell earlier? Basically a dumbbell. I meant like a plate, like that you put on like the bar. This is probably not advised, but I don't have a plug close enough. She beeps when you plug her in. This button has 2 little arrows that go like this, like a C. So I'm gonna, okay, that's up and down. And I think the speed adjusted. She is fully horizontal right now. Like, she is fully horizontal. It doesn't beep like when you hit the buttons. Does it do both of them at the same time is my question. It does do both of them at the same time. Y'all seeing all my business in my house right now. 5 seconds for Wi-Fi. We'll deal with that later, because you guys are on my phone, so I can't do anything on my phone right now. Okay. And it's one button. And it Turbo. I just watched that movie. Yeah, she's powerful. Okay, and then it goes to 1. Like, wow. Okay. Yeah, and then 1, honestly, like, I feel it, but like barely. Like, I don't hear it right now at all on 2. Let's figure out where the light comes from. Let's see, light. What? Oh, see, that's what I was looking for. The light is on the back. Okay, see, I thought that was on the front. I was like looking for a ring on the front where light could come from. My cat is terrified right now. Red, yellow, green, light blue, dark blue, purple, white. Okay. And then I assume once I download the app I'll have more control over that, because it says over 1,500 colors. It's got normal, natural, auto, turbo, sleep, and a custom. I don't know what any of that means. Getting the most out of your appliance. Position the air circulator. Okay, that's kind of cool. It's got like a bunch of little diagrams to show you how to point it for different seasons. Okay, so with the remote, you only have access to 2 modes. That is normal and turbo. I have a feeling we won't be going turbo very often. Okay, that's cool. All of the little control panel and the display have gone to sleep. Okay, so the first one woke it up, and then the second one actually activated it. So we have normal and turbo until we download the app, and then on the app available is auto, natural, custom, and sleep. You see auto. Fan automatically increases speed when the room temperature is higher and decreases speed when the temperature is lower. So I'm guessing there's a thermostat in it somewhere if it does that. Natural. Fan speed goes up and down intermittently to replicate the natural breeze. Sleep mode. Balance comfort and noise by automatically decreasing fan speed as you fall asleep. If the fan speed is higher than 4, it will decrease 2 times, 1 speed every 30 minutes, then it will remain constant. If the fan speed is 3 or below, it will remain constant. We won't be using that one either. Okay, unlock custom light effects with the DREO. I don't know how to pronounce it. I did 0 research on this thing. It showed up on my back porch today. Okay, unlock custom light effects. Breathe dims up and down for a calming effect. Constant light remains unchanged, ideal for providing a steady background light. Circle light cycles through different colors, ideal for small parties or gaming setups. Okay. Additional features. Timer when the fan is on off. Okay, we all know how a timer works. Yeah, it's got a timer up to 8 hours. To cancel, set the time to 0 hour. It's got a child lock. Long press. Okay, this button on the bottom, you can't really see it. It's kind of like a U, or like a smile. It's got little arrows. That's the horizontal oscillating. So it says hold that one and the light button at the same time for 3 seconds to toggle on off the child lock. If you do that, Hey Biscuit, can you turn on the fan? No? Okay. Firmware update. What do you mean you're gonna need to update? The fan can't talk to me. It's a fan. Memory. If the fan is turned off or disconnected from power, it will operate under the previous settings, except for the timer setting, when it is turned on again. Countdown display. And long pressing buttons for factory reset, child lock, and mute. Mute? Are you a speaker too? Like, no, I'm pretty sure that would be on the box. Oh, but the box does say works with Alexa and works with Google Home. Okay, so seriously, are you a speaker too? That would be cool. That would be cool. When long pressing buttons for etc., 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 a countdown will show on the display accordingly. That's cool. Firmware update. Check the firmware version on the app and update regularly for the air circulator to work more efficiently. Display will show a U during the update process. Do not operate until the update is completed. I don't love that. I don't love stuff that needs operating. Like we still have an old oven, and it's like I dread the day we have to replace that thing because they're all so smart. It's like I don't want to need to update my stuff. The phones do that enough. Okay. Display auto off. Okay, yeah, we already figured this part out. It goes off after a minute or in sleep mode 5 seconds. To wake up the display, press any button. You can disable it in the app. You know, it does come all apart to clean it. There's a screw down here, and yeah, I can feel that. There's a little notch right here, and it's not completely aligned with that. Remove that, and then the grill turns. Okay, so that turns, and then it looks like it comes apart like a standard, I would say, Lasco. Like I have a Lasco fan in my room, and it looks like it comes apart pretty similarly. It's got a little knob that comes off, and then the blades come off. Wrench cap, blades, and grill. They're spelling grill with an E on the end. Like what country do you come from? Okay, under running water or with a clean, damp cloth. Dry all parts and assemble. Okay, put the thing back and put the thing back on. Turn it clockwise, and then put the screw back on. My appliance is shaky and shakily? Shaky and wobbling. My appliance is making vibration and noise. Yeah, that's correct grammar. But like even on high, it's not, honestly, not very loud. And Southerners, that's kind of half and half. We like a fan to make a little noise. Ultimately, I think I'm going to be very happy with this. Like I said, it's white and black, so it'll fit into everybody's homes. The blades, like I said, are blue, but I mean, you can't tell when it's on. I'm gonna call that it for now, but I like it. This is definitely like a 5 out of 5 for me right now. It's got a lot of features. It's super weighted, so I don't have to worry about like the cats knocking it down or anything. It's super powerful. Like I honestly cannot believe how powerful it is. Like I'm gonna go put her in my room, and then we will see in about a few days. I was gonna say a week, but I honestly don't know how long. I might decide to do it tomorrow, and we'll see about the proper review video.